KSB stands for a world-class technology provider in manufacturing pumps and valves to the highest industry standards. In Saudi Arabia, KSB Pumps Arabia Limited was established as a joint venture between KSB and Abu Nayyan Group back in 1993. Strong brand of the world-renowned KSB SE and Company, KGaA, with almost 150 years of brand and market leadership worldwide. Along with existence of Abu Nayyan Holding Company in local Saudi Arabian market. KSB Pumps Arabia's factory is located in the second industrial city of Riyadh, with a state-of-the-art manufacturing, assembling and pump performance testing facility. Today, after over 25 years and with over 200 trained and qualified employees under its fold, the company leads the market as a technology solution provider for the infrastructure development needs of Saudi Arabia. The company has had resounding success ever since its establishment and has seen unprecedented growth in business volume and size. The company is engaged in design and application engineering, manufacturing and servicing of firefighting sets, boosters, water transfer sets, along with low voltage control panels. Bulk of the booster production is carried out in the fabrication shop, where base frame for pump sets and header connections are processed. A battery of electric arc welding machines, all provided with individual fume collection stations, serve the purpose. Special pipe flanging, hole cutting and extrusion machines dedicated to the production of headers. The operation allows indexing, hole cutting, extrusion, and facing in single setting. And preparing the connecting surfaces to be welded on automatic circular welding machine. All manufactured with high precision. Components machined on CNCs and pump set alignment is carried out in the assembly shop. Base frames fabrication by qualified welders using 2-axis tilting positioners allows handling large frames up to 6 tons. 3 separate automatic paint booths and shot blasting section ensure that the products are preserved to challenging environmental requirements. The mechanized painting booths allows protective coating of wear and weather-resistant epoxies for stringent atmospheric conditions. Separate section processes the panels, where qualified electrical assemblers carry out the manufacturing by using A-class equipment. KSB Pumps Arabia is an approved panel assembler of Schneider Electric, authorized to manufacture type-tested panels. Design engineering through a team of qualified design engineers for mechanical, electrical, and control systems. KSB Pumps Arabia ensures that the products leaving its facility are well packed and preserved before dispatch. To ensure better delivery times, KSB Pumps Arabia maintains its stocks in its modern warehouse, where material is neatly preserved in a dust-proof environment. Also maintains inventory for fast-moving spare parts to reduce customers' downtime. latest state-of-the-art test bed is made in complete compliance to all international test standards. It is equipped with calibrated instrument of high accuracy class, which collects the information and processes in the data acquisition system to generate performance curves. The measurement ranges a flow rate of 2000 cubic meter per hour, pressure 25 bars and power rating of 450 kilowatts. KSB Pumps Arabia believes in delivering the highest quality products, and thus quality is ensured at all stages of operation. Quality management system is approved to ISO 9001-2015 by TÜV Rheinland, Germany. KSB Pumps Arabia complies with the safety standards of MUDA, and it is committed to environmental protection. Marketing and sales teams are well-versed professionals with all segments: industry, building service, water and wastewater, energy, and mining. Business development continuously engages in creating brand value and updating its customers on the latest technological advancements. To be close to its customers, KSB operates through separate sales and service offices in Riyadh, Jeddah, Dammam, and Abha. Service is fully equipped to handle all customer-related services, stretching in partnering them in commissioning their new products to providing prompt technical and material support. With its mobile vans and service workshops in Riyadh and Dammam, it is never far away from receiving and promptly addressing all customers' needs. To be the dominant pump solution leader across KSA in all key segments. KSB Pumps Arabia Limited. Our technology, your success.